All right, let's get started. The first step is to remove the grit from the clams. You'll need a mixing bowl. First, fill the mixing bowl with water and add the required amount of salt. Put the clams into soak to remove any grit. Replace the water with fresh water and wash the clams by rubbing their shells together. The next step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Cut the red pepper in half lengthwise, then remove the stem and seeds. Chop the pepper into 1/2 inch pieces. Cut off the stems of the green beans and cut them into 1 1/4 inch lengths. Cut the tomatoes horizontally in half and remove the seeds. Chop the tomatoes roughly. Peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Cut the squid into 1/2 inch wide rings. Sprinkle some salt and pepper over the squid rings. Chop the chicken into 1 1/2 inch pieces. Sprinkle some salt and pepper over the chicken. Next, prepare a saucepan to make the stock for the paella. Put the chicken stock in the saucepan and bring it to a boil. Add the paprika to the chicken stock. Add the saffron and simmer. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to cook the paella. You'll need a paella pan, a dish, and tongs. Place the paella pan over the heat and coat the surface of the pan with olive oil. Add the chicken and sauté it over moderate heat until it's slightly browned. Then transfer it to the dish. Add the squid and prawns. Cook them until their color changes. Then transfer them to the dish. Coat the paella pan with the olive oil. Put the garlic in the paella pan and sauté it until fragrant. Add the chopped tomatoes and stir. Add the unwashed rice. Add the stock and bring it to a boil, stirring to the bottom of the pan. Add the chopped red pepper. Add the sautéed chicken and some salt and pepper. Add the clams, squid, prawns, and green beans. Reduce by simmering until the rice appears at the surface. Then remove the pan from the heat. The next step is to make a lid for the paella pan. You'll need aluminum foil. Make a lid out of aluminum foil and cover the paella pan. Put the paella pan back on low heat and continue to simmer for around 8 minutes before taking it off the heat again. Leaving the foil lid on the pan, allow it to steam for 3 minutes. Remove the foil lid and place the pan back over moderate heat for around 1 minute to boil off the remaining water. Remove the pan from the heat and garnish with wedges of lemon. Sprinkle on some finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Well done!